Let me show you how this magic bullet grinds oatmeal. 2 cups. It has several options of screw-on tops, like this one is a lid. This one has a drinking spout that you can open and close. And it comes with these screw-on liners that you could just screw on, and it's more pleasant to drink from. And this blade attachment can chop, mix, blend, and grind, which I will show you grinds oatmeal, and then it'll blend the entire smoothie together. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the oats. And the mixer blends by these grooves right here under the mixer. And they go into the slots in the mixer. And there's these 3 little indentions right here that you align the mixer, you press down, and you turn to the side. And it begins blending everything. Sometimes I give it a little shake if I feel like it needs some help. To open, you press down and you twist the opposite side. And look how fine it grinded these oats. I am so impressed. I'll add the rest of the ingredients for my breakfast smoothie. Add some chia seeds, frozen strawberries, later some honey. Shake it up and blend it. Magic Bullet is my favorite machine. This is my second set. The first one I had for like 12 years and I was like, okay, I deserve a new one. Not that it stopped working, it still worked. I just wanted it to look new. So then I just put this liner on and enjoy my smoothie. I hope I brought value to you. I'll see you in the next video.